Woo! Hey guys, Rob here. Damn, is it freaking cold and it's snowing like a... Oh, you know what? I only got this much done. I've been doing it for 20 minutes. Freaking, this is crazy. I'm not using a snowblower because we don't have much gas left. But so far, times this by 2. Because we already did the yard once already today. And it's like 8:30 at 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. I'm gonna try to freaking at least do the backyard and some of the front yard. I'll be out here for at least probably another hour and a half. Yeah, my dad's sleeping. Yeah. What a day. It's like, what a day. And what a snowstorm. It's freaking crazy. I'm so tired of snow. I wish we had a freaking plow. Yeah, the porch was covered. We had at least already a foot of snow on the porch. I cleaned that off like a couple times. Yeah. I went to town today because I had to go to the grocery store, and I saw like, I don't know, 4 or 5 cars off the road because they hadn't plowed the main road yet. That's why you need to go slow when there's snow on the road. But yeah, if you like snow, I sure as hell don't, because I gotta freaking shovel this shit. Alright guys, leave a comment, and I'll catch you later. See ya!